Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we have a request from a community member and her name is Kelly and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, hi Kelly. I need your help. Can you please show me how to make a pampas grass centerpiece for my reception tables? Our colors are bronze and cream. Thank you so much for your help." Well, Kelly, I have to say thank you for sending in this request because I haven't done one of these. And so it was so much fun to create it and to see just how simple it is to show you how to create it. Well, guys, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with my very first Pampas Grass Wedding Centerpiece. All right, let's get started. So we're going to use a 24-inch flower stand and a 1-inch styrofoam block. Now you can see our styrofoam block is much bigger than our stand. So we're going to just press it down on the top of it, creating an indentation. And then we're going to go back, trace out our indentation, and cut it out. Our styrofoam is going to fit perfectly into the top of our flower stand. Now this next step is optional. If you love the color of the flower stand, go for it. But if you want to change it out, Krylon paint is the perfect way to do that. And you're going to spray paint all of the stand as well as your styrofoam so that everything is seamless and you don't see any of the white styrofoam distracting you from your beautiful centerpiece. Don't forget that all of the links to the supplies are in the description right below this video. When you get your pampas grass, I want to warn you, you're going to be like, there's no way that this is going to be the fluffy, beautiful, full centerpiece that I see on this video. It absolutely will. You're going to have to sit your pampas flower in direct sunlight for at least 3 to 5 hours. Now I will tell you, it took a few more days for mine to fluff up because it rained for 3 weeks, guys. 3 weeks. It was a real special situation. So don't be alarmed when you get your pampas grass and it's in this long skinny box and you're like, there's no way. There's no way. It absolutely is like magic. You know those little sponge pills you would get when you were a kid and you throw them in water and then they just expand? That's kind of what you're going to see. So don't worry, the grass will fluff up. Just get it into that direct sunlight, not outside, in a window with direct sunlight. Well, Kelly, how did we do? It's absolutely stunning. And I have to tell you, it's one of my faves. Absolute favorite ones that I've ever done. I cannot believe just how elegant and beautiful and simple it is. So I hope you love it as much as we do. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can know when our videos are posted as soon as they are up. And don't forget that if you have a question or a comment, please go ahead and put it in our comment section right down below this video. I am the one who answers them. It does take me a minute sometimes, but don't worry, we have a fantastic DIY community and we all are here to help each other. If you would like to hang out a little bit more, head on over to our website, missplanet.com, and you can hang out with us some more, or you can follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget Pinterest. In addition to that, if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten rebate account, I don't know what you're waiting for. It is so simple and they pay you to shop. Head on down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check in the mail at the end of the month. It is really that simple. Well guys, our time has come to an end, but before I go, I want to remind you that all of the links to the supplies for our projects as well as the project costs are going to be in the description right below the videos. Just click on that little arrow right there and you will have all the information at your fingertips. You don't have to wonder where we got it from. I tell you where we got it from. In addition to that, if you would like to get more detailed instructions, head on over to our website, missplanet.com. You can click on that corner, little eye in the corner, and it'll take you right there for written and picture instructions for most of our projects, in addition to cost-saving tips that we just don't have a lot of time to do on our videos. You can also find our free resource library, and I want to let you know that very soon we will have our brand new Miss Planet website launching. I am super excited about it. It's even easier and gives you even more cost-saving tips. So hang on for that. Well guys, our time has come to an end. As always, it goes by way too fast. I want to thank you so much for hanging out with us. We know you have so many options here on YouTube, and we do not take you hanging out with us lightly. Well guys, until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on this planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.